'Cause most great conversation starts with a cup of coffee. A cup of coffee. A cup of coffee. 'Cause the most great conversation starts with a cup of coffee in the most delightful ways. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First things first, go get yourself a cup of coffee, get all comfy and come and have a chat with me. Because it's time for Coffee and Jam with Krizz. Okay, for today's video, I'm gonna be talking about an experience of mine lately because I recently went to our friend's wedding. It was a beach wedding over at Pangkor Island, Malaysia. And while we were there, of course, we got a chance to like explore the place and went island hopping, as well as we wanted to try and do some snorkeling on one of the small islands that was there. However, I was so disappointed because, well, just look at this video.
Nothing out there? Nothing? Absolutely nothing? Okay.
It's too blurred and it's really cloggy in there.
Okay.
And it's all I see is like feet and bread.
Okay. Hey, what are you doing? You picking up trash?
No wonder why there's no fish. There's snorkeling.
Oh well.
Don't throw the fishes or the turtles. Hey guys, this is not cool. If you ever pass by it, do pick it up and help nature. Be great.
So you see guys, in that video, you can understand why I was so disappointed. So when I went on that island with my husband, when I put on the goggles and I dove inside, I saw nothing but like floating bread and bread wrappers and plastic straws and plastic cups and even chocolate wrappers and all that. So instead of looking into the water with like seeing fishes, all I saw was swimming trash. That small island for snorkeling was flooded with like people. They were having their picnics and they were spending time with their family, and trust me, there's like nothing wrong with that. But like, I started picking up the trash, obviously, and I started picking them one by one in front of these people who are just throwing the trash in the water. But no one seemed to bother or care. And the problem, guys, was, here's the thing. There were actually large trash cans provided on that small island for people to throw their trash. So what I did was like, I went walking and I picked up some trash. Instead of going snorkeling, I ended up trying to like clean that part of the island, and I went and obviously went to throw something in the trash can, only to find the trash can like more than half empty. So instead of like throwing the rubbish in the trash can, the beach itself was the giant trash can, which is so disappointing. I think if we all could have a little bit of consideration and a little bit of effort. I mean, it's not that hard, you guys. Just pick up the trash, walk a few steps to the nearest trash can and throw the rubbish in the trash can. You won't only be helping like nature, but you're also showing a good example. I mean, we can all help each other to like keep it clean and not, you know, strangle any turtles or kill any fishes with plastics, you guys. Like, how would you feel if you were like swimming in the water and suddenly a giant bag came over your head and you can't breathe and then eventually you die? So I'm just saying, it's better if we could all help one another and not just watch when someone is actually picking up the trash and still and you still add to that by throwing more, like as if you didn't see anything. Let's not play a blind eye, or let's not close our ears. You know, most of all, let's not close our minds to things like this, and instead start creating habits that could help each other. The moral of this story is, guys, if you see rubbish, even if it's not yours, just pick it up. It's not a big deal. Plus, you're doing yourself a favor, you're doing others a favor, and there's nothing wrong with that. Spread the love, you guys. So I want to know what you guys think about this kind of things, and it would be great if you could leave a comment in the comment section below this video, and let me know what you think. If you think my opinion is wrong, please do let me know, and if you do agree, well, just let me know what you think as well. So you guys, take a look at this video and how this place is actually such a beautiful sight. This place called Pangkor Island in Malaysia. It will be even more beautiful if it's as beautiful as it is up close. So peaceful.
Feeding the mummy first. Oh, it's one whole family here. Hello.
So that's it for this video, you guys, and I hope that this video was able to spread out a message and some awareness. And this is Coffee and Jam and Krizz saying, if you want to enjoy the splash, don't throw the trash. See you soon! Oh, and one more thing, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys, and click on the notification bell to be automatically updated of my new videos. So stay tuned for more fun, and yeah, I gotta go. Bye!